Come here, Tyke.
Leave them alone.
Tyke, come here. Come here.
You want some chalk? Tyler, stop. Here, I'll get it, baby. You stay out here. I'll get it.
No, I did it.
Okay.
Come on, Tyler. Want some candy?
No.
No.
Here's the chalk.
Oh, is that the chalks?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and go outside and color.
Want some candy?
I'm on candy.
No, go finish coloring. You already had your piece. Come here.
What's that?
Hold on, let him finish.
What's that?
An eye.
Good job. Can you draw another letter?
Yeah. Maybe I draw in 0.
Let me see you draw a 0. Good job, baby.
Here you go.
Can you
That's
draw?
0.
That's a number, though. Okay, can you draw another number?
Yeah. Maybe I draw in 1.
Okay, draw a 1.
Draw 1. There you go. What's that?
0.
Oh, I thought you were drawing a 1.
Draw a 1, baby.
Wow, that's a big 1.
That's the big one.
What are you doing over there? Pooping.
You think he's pooping?
Pooping.
Are you pooping? Are you pooping?
Yeah. You come in.
I don't want to.
Well, I'm done.
Oh,
Tyler, you want a
go
piece of
put it back.
candy?
Oh, can I get a candy? Can I get a candy, Daddy?
Bring me the bag.
Can I get a candy, Mommy?
Yes, bring me the bag.
You poop. What are you pooping for? What are you pooping for? Stinky butt. Stinky butt.
Come on, let's go change your butt. Did you see the look that he just did?
Don't give me attitude.
Come on, let's go change your butt.
Can
Silly
I
butt.
Daddy?
Huh?
Can I have a candy?
No, I guess you already got one out.
Yeah. What do you?
A toe?
Okay, come here. Let's open it. Come here. Come here. Is there any wipes in here?
I don't know.
Yeah, bring me some wipes.
This
Okay.
is delicious.
Okay, can you open it?
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here. Can you go throw that away?
Yeah.
Yes, every Monday we're supposed to do them. I'm gonna be getting ready.
Okay. Come on, let's do this. Let's change your butt. Sit down. Take your shoes off. Nope. Take your shoes off first. Shoes. Sit down. Shoes.
Thank you, Tyler.
With his foot.
Huh?
With his foot. No, you can leave those on. Leave those on. No. Leave those alone. Come on, lay down. We're gonna take your pants off.
I'm going to hell.
Careful, baby.
I'm going to hell.
There you go. Tickle legs. Thick legs. Okay.
Tyler.
No. No, you gotta leave the socks on. Yeah. Leave the socks on. Socks on. No. No.
you doing?
House. Iron Master. Destroy the.
Ooh, geez, Tyler.
That one's stinky.
Oh
Oh yeah, I can smell it.
Wet. Well, I gotta get you.
Don't hold his legs like that. He doesn't like it.
Alright, we're good.
Destroy the house.
What are you doing, Tyke?
Destroy the house. Destroy the house.
Oh! See Daisy.
You got half his butt hanging out, hun.
What?
Butt hanging out.
There. No, but it's not hanging out anymore.
I'm a very big monster. I'm a big monster.
Give Daddy kisses.
I destroyed the house.
Can Daddy have kisses, Tyler?
No.
See if you give me kisses.
Give me kisses. Come on.
Aww.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
I
You
get
need
a
pants?
paper towel.
You get a paper towel? Okay.
Oh, they're up there.
Let's get. Right here, baby. Here, baby.
Thank you. No, here's the paper towel.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, baby. You're such a big boy.
Oh, oh.
Did you see the little piece of paper towel that he ripped off?
Did he?
There's a small one.
He ripped it off? Because he's like, Mommy, everything has to be equal, huh?
Yeah. Okay, Mama.
You're doing a good job.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh, sorry, Mommy.
No, we're not going to
It's
school.
okay. On this side. Over here.
Okay.
Let's see right there by the leg.
Yeah.
Come here, Tyler. I'm not done. Come here. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Make sure you get
You're
your
doing such a good job, Tyke.
There we go. There we go.
You're welcome.
Did you just say thank you?
Yeah.
Okay.
We went outside.
Alright, hey. Tyke, you're not done yet. Now you gotta pick the paper towels up.
You gotta pick up the paper towels now, Tyke. Can't just leave them sitting there on the ground. You gotta get up and pick them up. Come on.
Move your butt.
Huh?
Move.
I
Your
picked
butt.
up and put the big one up.
Pick them up now. Not those, dork. Those.
I want to pick these up.
Okay, can you go give them back to Miss Arcelli?
Thank you.
Okay. Pick those up. You are a goofball. Come on, pick the ones up on the floor.
Okay.
Thank you.
They dried. They're wet.
It's fine. Pick them up. Put them in there.
Step on them first and see if we can fix them up like that.
Good job, baby.
No.
Good job. Put them in the trash.
Now can I go play outside?
Yes, you can go play.